In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and set up your Exness personal area and trading accounts. We'll walk through the entire process from visiting the website to getting your accounts ready to trade, with helpful tips to keep everything smooth and secure. First, head to the official Exness website and select Register. You'll be asked for your country and your email. Choose the country where you legally reside, since this determines the services available to you and must match your documents later. Enter a valid email you can access right away, as you'll use it for confirmations and account security. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this initial registration. Next, verify your email. Open your inbox, find the message from Exness, and click the confirmation link. If you don't see it, check spam or junk folders and consider adding the sender to your safe list. After that, verify your phone number. Enter your number, request the code, and type it in exactly as received. Keep this number active. It helps with account recovery and two-factor security. Never share verification codes with anyone. Now complete your KYC verification, which includes both identity and address. This step is required by regulators and protects you against unauthorized access. For identity, prepare a government-issued document such as a passport, national ID, or driver's license. For address, use a recent document like a utility bill or bank statement that clearly shows your name and residential address. Make sure your photos are in color, well lit, and fully visible. No cropping, glare, or filters. The details on your documents must match the information you entered earlier. Submitting clear, accurate files usually speeds up approval. Once verification is approved, you'll be in your personal area, which is your central dashboard to manage everything. Here, open your trading accounts by choosing the platform you prefer, MT4 or MT5. Pick the account type that fits your style and set important details like base currency and, if applicable, leverage. You can create multiple accounts if you want to separate strategies or currencies. To fund your accounts, select a deposit method available in your region and follow the on-screen steps. Check processing times, fees, and minimums before confirming. It's a good idea to test a small deposit first to make sure everything works as expected. With your account funded, you can start trading. Download the platform you selected or use the web terminal, then log in using the credentials provided in your personal area. Trade responsibly, review your risk settings, and you're all set.